In continuation with previous video now, we will discuss remaining characteristics of normal sinus rhythm. Another characteristic of normal sinus rhythm is normal QRS complex. Normal QRS complex forms because of depolarization of ventricles. Depolarization of ventricles generates three large vectors, and these are named as Q, R and S waves. Vector in ECG means electric vector. It simply denotes direction of current flow. If direction of current flow is towards lead, it will cause positive deflection on ECG. And you know positive deflection on ECG forms above the baseline. In QRS complex, first negative deflection before our wave is always Q wave. If negative deflection before our wave is not present, that means Q wave is not present. All positive waves of QRS complex are waves. Second R wave is named as R prime wave. Third R wave is named as R bis wave. All negative waves after R wave are S waves. Multiple S waves are also named as S prime and S bis wave. Q wave corresponds interventricular septum. Q wave is usually small in size. Large and wide Q wave suggests old myocardial infarction. Pathological Q wave is of greater than 0.03 second duration. And its height, or amplitude, is greater than 25% of our wave. You can see different types of QRS complexes here. In this example, C first wave is a positive wave because it is a positive deflection, and it is a small wave. Right? We know positive waves of QRS complex are waves, right? So it is our wave, it is a small wave, we will write it as small r, okay. Now see in this next example. Negative wave is present before our wave, it is Q wave. Here, in examples, you can see different types of QRS complexes. In this example, you can see there is no Q wave present, but first small R wave is present, followed by small S wave, then again there is large R wave. Precordial leads covers heart from all directions, in depth and from wide range. When right atrium depolarizes, depolarizing wave travels towards V1, causing positive deflection of P wave on ECG in V1 lead on ECG. As right atrium depolarizes, depolarizing wave travels away from V1, causing negative deflection in P wave, making it bipolar wave in V1. Cardiac electric activity progresses from thinner, right ventricular muscles towards thicker left ventricle. Here, you can see transition of QRS complex from V1 to V6. From V1 to V4 or V5 our wave increases in amplitude and duration. Reason of this gradual increase in our wave is travel of impulse wave from septum to thicker ventricular muscles. As direction of this wave is towards V1, it causes positive deflection and increase in size from small to large. Moving forward, while traveling through ventricles, it moves away from ventricles, causing formation of negative wave, named as S. In next video, we will see wide and narrow QRS complex. Please subscribe, like and share to spread knowledge.